if you're looking for a healthy, non-traditional item to serve at Thanksgiving, then you're gonna wanna keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making an autumn fruit salad. This is the perfect dish to serve at Thanksgiving or for any you know, fall type theme party, or just to serve at dinner time even. So I'm pretty excited to make this. I have never had it, but the ingredients sounds absolutely delicious. It's pretty healthy. There is some sugar in the dressing, but other than that, it's pretty healthy. So I can't wait to make this. And of course, at the end, as always, we will do a taste test to see what we think. I am taking this to work, so we'll find out what my coworkers think as well. I am going to be changing up a few of the ingredients from the original recipe. And by the way, I will post the link to the original recipe in the description box because, like I said, I've never made this. This is new to me, and I want to make sure they get credit for it. It does call for apples, red and green apples. I just bought the bags where they're already sliced, and it already has like that lemon juice on it. So I don't need to use a whole lemon for the juice to put on there. It's already done. It does ask for regular pecans where you put them in the oven and toast them. I bought the glazed pecans because I thought that would just kick it up a notch. So I am just tweaking it a little bit, not much, but friends, let me stop talking because I am rambling. Let's go over all the ingredients and then we'll go ahead and put the salad together. All right, my friends, I have some red grapes. I have 4 oranges. I have 2 bags of the red apples, 2 bags of the green apples. I have some sugar back there, some dried cranberries, some pecans, orange juice, a lemon, and some apple pie spice. That is all the ingredients we're going to be using, so let's go ahead and put this together. All right, my friends, so as you saw, not a lot of ingredients, and as I said, I am making it a little bit more user-friendly just by not having to cut them up and putting the lemon juice on it. And then the pecans, those pecans I use in salads, and I just love it so much, so I decided to go with that. So I just wanted to show you something really quick. I bought this little grater at the Dollar Tree, and I was using it for the hard Parmesan cheese, you know, where you grate it yourself. And I use this also for zesting. So I just put it right over top my thing and just scrape along, and I find it really easy when you need to have the zest of lemon or orange or whatever. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. So let me turn the camera down. We'll go ahead and get our dressing made first, because I'm going to get that made in the fridge and then clean all my fruit because I need to wash the grapes. I'm going to cut the apples up and the oranges and all. So let me go ahead and get this together, put it in the fridge, and then we'll move over to putting our salad together. I have 1 cup of orange juice. I am doubling this. It called for a 1/4 cup of sugar, so I'm putting in a half there. We're going to, actually I'm going to use my little whisk just to get this done really well, get it all that sugar melted. There we go. Like I said, it did call for quite a bit of sugar, but I think this is going to be really good. And then we're going to put in half a teaspoon of apple pie spice. It does call, the original one I think is a 1/4 teaspoon. Let's go ahead and whisk that together. Let's get all that off the sides. And then we're going to go ahead and put in our zest from our oranges and lemons. Okay, you want to get it all out. Every last bit. Alright. That was loud. We're just going to whisk it all together. All right, my friends, so there you have it. Let's get this in the fridge and then get my grapes washed up and my oranges sliced up. Friends, so I finished chopping up all the apples. They were already sliced and I just cut them in thirds, peeled my oranges, cut them in half, and got everything ready, my grapes and all washed. I do want to mention real quickly, I am doubling the recipe. And by luck, I had bought 2 bags of the pecans because it took both bags for doubling the recipe. So just kind of wanted to give you the heads up. I was short an orange, which is not a big deal. I have more than enough fruit in here. So let me stop talking, turn the camera down, and show you how simple and easy it is to put this together. All right, my friends, grapes are all washed. Got all the stems out. I have my red, I was going to say tomatoes, apples. I am going to go ahead and I think mix these up as I go. You will need a very large bowl, by the way. My green apples. And you can kind of see the size of those. Oh my. Look how pretty that is. It's saying fall already. Look at that. Also says Christmas, friends, with just this. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my cranberries. Doubling it called for 1.5 cups. I had a little bit more than that, and then the bag was empty, so I just threw them all in there. Look at that, friends. This right here is pretty for Christmas without adding the oranges in there. Keep that in mind. Keep forgetting this is flexible when it's, oh, yeah, that flew across the kitchen floor. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead, add my oranges. Look how pretty. It's pretty. Oh, this would be beautiful on the Thanksgiving table, friends. Yes, it would be. Alrighty, and then we're gonna add in our pecans. And like I said, I bought the glazed pecans. That's a pretty big one. I'm gonna break that up a little bit. These larger ones, a little bit big. Definitely different sizes in here. These are the emerald ones, but I do know that Food Lion sells these now, by the way. They are the same price as the emerald, but if you can't find the emerald and go to Food Lion, look and see, because they may have them there under their name. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix all that together. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take our dressing, just whisk it a little bit. It's mixed well. And we're gonna pour that over our fruit. Yum! And my friends, that is how easy and simple this recipe is. It's an easy, quick, it'll feed a lot of people. Alrighty, my friends. I'm gonna put this in the fridge just to let the flavors mesh a little bit, and then we'll do a taste. I'll come back and do a taste test right before I leave for work. All right, my friends, I am about to leave for work and thought we would do a quick little taste test. I was trying to get like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I don't know if I can, how it's gonna work. Oh man. Those glazed pecans, highly recommend. Friends, my gosh. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. This is, I don't even have a word to describe it. Oh my word. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Tastes like fall. I'm sorry, I'm smacking my lips. That was so rude. It tastes like fall, friends. I'm telling you. You will not be disappointed in this. My word. Is that the longest taste test you've ever seen? I couldn't stop eating it. Those glazed pecans kicked it up a notch. I'm telling you. Absolutely delicious. And it wasn't even in the fridge that long with that dressing on it. And oh my. Absolutely delicious, friends. I cannot stress that enough. I'm sorry. I'm like, I have not, it was just so good. It was just so good. I can't. Anyway, let me stop because you're probably thinking this girl's crazy. But friends, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you end up trying this recipe, please let me know. I would love to hear what you think. I am going to put up on the screen what people at work thought as well and let you know. So friends, thanks so much. And if you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Friends, thanks so much, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye.